Is officially harshed. We're doing Hunter's Canyon today. We're doing the road walk in the beginning. Got Paul with us again today.
How's it going, all?
So yes, it is spring in Moab. All the license plates have turned green. That's a Colorado license plate and it's blue.
Close enough.
Yeah, close enough.
Can't make left-hand turns.
Nope, no left-hand turns on Main. You can't come and have a peaceful hike out here. We're about to go where the UTVs and the motorcycles cannot go, which is, there's a lot more of that in the Moab area than there definitely is places they can ride. But here we go.
Survey tape, especially if it's the work being done.
Yep.
A lot of times people forget about it.
Exactly. Came and noticed somebody already marked the trail for us. We can't decide if it's an unofficial trail running group or what.
Definitely does not look like trail work construction methods.
No, not at all. But want to tell us a little bit about the trail today, Paul?
So we are doing Prichett Canyon to Hunter Canyon. We did the road walk, as you saw earlier, get that out of the way. And we're going to follow the semi-marked trail up to Prichett Canyon, which becomes a Jeep road. Roughly 10 to 12 miles. And now we're in the good single track. Very beautiful, and we're getting away from the ATV traffic.
Here we are. One of my favorite views before you start getting into the behind the rocks area. You can see the switchbacks over there. We were coming down on the road part of the walk. We're about to go up on this loop up there. Haven't been here in a couple years, but one of my favorite hikes. I just haven't done it because we got so busy. We're also thinking about putting this one on the website as well. So maybe we'll even get to the snake today. We'll see.
closely, you can see the woolly mammoth of the Colorado Plateau. It's not really well known, but yeah, it's just woolly mammoth in the Shangri-La Valley. They're adapted to the high desert here, and they can live on 10 inches of rain, but yes, they are in Shangri-La. Again, look very closely. If you don't see it, well, I'm not telling you exactly where they are. Another terrible view here in Moab.
It's awful.
As we're walking the Jeep road, that's part of our route.
Gorgeous.
It's more like a very wide trail, and we still see more of these interesting flagging. I think our theory about the unofficial race might be correct.
What was it, the moose?
Yeah, the moose.
Moose.
So back there, we saw the sign, it was like a moose, and we had a wrong way, and we weren't paying attention. We found a cool alcove, and then we noticed the wrong way sign. So pay attention to the unofficial but accurate signs out here sometimes.
Yeah.
We lost all 5 minutes now and get to see a cool place. So not a bad thing. But you can see we're following this unofficial race course. Again, I'm going to go with some kind of trail race. But anyway, we'll see you up the trail.
So we're just a little over halfway. Made the turn back, starting to go a little more north. But in this great water year we have, check this out. Absolutely an oasis in the desert. That is just gorgeous.
A little oasis right here in the desert in this very, very high spring year of water. 150 snowpack in the south. It's just amazing. I mean, look at that behind me. It's really beautiful. I could be here all day and just listen to this water.
Oh yeah, I could pitch a tent right beside it.
Nice and lush. Pretty soon we're going to make our turn, hike down Prichett Canyon, and finish our hike. In the meantime, we're just enjoying this beautiful red rocks and this lush terrain on this Moab spring. As always, see you down the trail. Take your stock Jeep here.
You know, this is where we...
Still beautiful. On this weekend, it probably won't be quite as trail-like. It'll be a lot of ATVs and Jeeps there.
Speaking of which, I can hear the motorcycles in the distance.
So the tip of the day, if you hike a weekday, this is more like a wide trail than a Jeep road. Here we are following the Jeep road out, the final stretch. Like I said, we're no longer walking back the road, the pavement. Almost done. And again on a Friday morning, afternoon, it's almost like a trail here. And in the words of the Hippy Dippy book, Zen, the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance, we made good time, with the emphasis on good and not time.
So we made it. Comes out at 13.41 miles with 1,869 feet of elevation gain. Great hike. Had a blast. Found a cache from an old, we didn't get pictures of it, but an old marathon or something like that. Paul forgot his water, so we found a water source that was quite clean. But now we're at the end and we're looking for the last part of the trail to get off. I do believe so. Yep. Huh. Weird. But yeah, back to civilization.
Such as it is.
As close as we get to civilization here in the Moab area anyway.
Land of 3-2 bear.
Bye.